Hi everyone. So let's start lesson 2. In this lesson, we will learn how to ask someone's name and how to create a suitable Chinese name for yourself. Now let's begin with learning some vocabularies. Please read along with me. 我什么名字姓 So let's go to the next page. 您老师学生中文是叫问请不马 Okay, so when you are reviewing the vocabularies, you can click on the buttons to practice the pronunciation along with the textbook. Now we are moving on to the dialogue sections. We will hear 3 short and independent everyday conversations. You can try to guess the meaning of the conversations based on the words we just learned.
你叫什么名字？
我叫月月。您叫什么名字？
我叫杰克。请问你是老师吗？
我不是老师，我是学生。
So how is it? Did anyone understand what's the meaning of the dialogue? First of all, let's do a repeat exercise first. 请跟我读 Okay, please read after me. 你叫什么名字？我叫月月。So the second one. 您叫什么名字？我叫杰克。So the third one. 请问你是老师吗？我不是老师，我是学生。So firstly, let's look at the first dialogue. The word 叫 is not only means shout, but here it's more closer to the meaning of call in English. So this is a common sentences pattern for the first time meeting up someone, and then we ask for each other's names. 你叫什么名字？ It means you call what name? Right, it's easy to understand. So in the second dialogue, you can see it changed the word of 你 into the word of 您. So what's the differences? Actually, 您 is a respectful form of 你. So we use 您 instead of 你 when we facing the elder ones or the senior ones to express our great respect. Once again, 您叫什么名字? Okay. So in the first dialogue, we can see there is a word of 请问 in the very beginning. So 请问 means please could I ask? So it's a very polite expression. So in these sentences, actually, if we remove the word of 请问, we just say 你是老师吗? The meaning doesn't change at all. But adding 请问 at the first beginning make the whole sentences much more polite. So similarly, 请问 can be added at the beginning of 请问你叫什么名字 or 请问您叫什么名字 The meaning is the same, but the tone sounds much more polite. And then I want you to pay attention to the word of 嘛. This is a question particle places at the end of a yes or no question when 是 is the affirmative verb in the sentences. So we place the 不 before 是 to form 不是, which means negation. So 你是 means you are. 我不是 means I am not. So after this class, you can click on these buttons to check out the embedded recording audios so that it can help you optimize your pronunciation. Please keep practice it until you can read it very fluently. Alright, finally, it's about the homework. So the homework for this lesson is to transcribe the words and the pinyins of these lessons. So the learning objective is to understand the meaning and the pronunciation of each word and have a preliminary understanding of Chinese characters writing. So please keep up the good work. See you in the next lesson. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you.